How to fix registry editing has been disabled by your administrator on Windows 10. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Today we'll be discussing of two such ways to fix this problem. So for the first one, you have to open your edit group policy. So for that, you can either search it through the search bar or you can type in gpedit.msc. Once you have opened it, you will see this interface. From the left side, you will see the folder of user configuration. Tap on the third setting, which is for administrative. After that, you have to click on the system folder twice. Now on the right side of your screen, you must search for this specific one which says prevent access to registry editing tools. Double click on it to open the settings or properties. After that, make sure that you have ticked on not configured and it is not ticked on enabled. Once you have done so, tap on OK and this should probably fix the problem. However, if you still cannot open the registry editing, the next option that you can apply is open your file explorer. Go to this PC, select on drive C and under that go on Windows folder. Then search for system32 folder and under that you have to search for registry32.exe application. And from here you can directly open your registry editing. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.